How to install Facebook Pixel in GoHighLevel. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Facebook Pixel in GoHighLevel. So let's get started. First, you're going to log into your Meta Business Suite. Once you're inside, click on All Tools in the menu, then choose Events Manager. This is where all your tracking and analytics data is managed. Inside Events Manager, go to Data Sources and select the pixel you want to use. At the top, you'll see your Pixel ID. Copy this as it's needed to link Facebook with GoHighLevel. You'll also want to grab the full Pixel tracking code, which allows you to track page views and user actions across your website. Next, open GoHighLevel and log into your account. On the left-hand menu, click Settings, then select Custom Values. Here, click New Custom Value. Paste your Pixel ID from Meta into provided field. Give this value a clear name like Facebook Pixel and assign it to a folder, either an existing folder or a new one you create. Once done, save your custom value. To ensure Facebook tracks activity across your entire site, go to Settings, Site Settings. Look for the section labeled Tracking Code and paste the full Facebook Pixel base code into the head section of your site. This allows Facebook to record page views and events on every page automatically. And that's it. Your Facebook Pixel is now successfully connected to GoHighLevel, ready to track your site traffic and conversions. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.